Assalamu alaikum students, me Ma'am Zainab. In this lecture we read different forces. First, I have a little questions with you. What happen if you thrown a ball in a air? And his answer is there is an invisible force pushing everything toward the earth. This is the gravity. Okay, due to gravity. When we drop a pencil, no matter how many times you are drop it, always fall down. This is due to a gravity. Pouring a water, when you tilt a glass, water flow down due to a gravity. When we fall down a water in a ground due to a no, now you jump a ground and you come back. It's also a gravity, okay? Now, what is gravity? Well, as we know it, the gravity is a force that Earth exerts everything around us, with including everything from smallest pebbles to the largest sky and skyscrapers, anything which has the mass in the grabs. Although the absence of gravity seemed to be some funny situation, after you are seeing those astronauts floating in the space, and you might secretly wish for its disappearance. You can see freely fly. Yeah. Now we have the next topic is the normal force. Why do we don't fall through the floor when we stand? If the gravity is pulled down, why we cannot fall in the ground? Because the floor push back up on you the same force that the gravity is pulled down. This upward push force is called a normal force. Okay, this is the definition of normal force. Now I give you a different examples. When you sit on a chair, the gravity pull down but the chair is pushed back up. Why you don't fall? Now we have the next example is the book is stay on a table because the table is pushed up with a normal force and the gravity is pulled down equal but opposite force. Okay, this is the normal force. Now we have the topic is applied force. Is a force that is directly applied on an object by a person or another object. It can be a push or pull, make something to move. When you see a picture, a child can push or pull the object. Now I give you a different example. The first example is a pushing a shopping cart. Your hand apply a force to make it move. This is the applied force. Another example is kicking a ball, your foot and apply a force to move the ball. And we have the last example is lifting a book, your hand and apply the force on lift it up. This is the applied force. And we have the next is force diagram. Force diagram is a simple drawing that shows the force is acting on an object by using a draw. Can you see a picture? We have a different forces. First is a gravity pulls the object downward. Normal force, surface pushing the surface from pushing upward. Applied force, pushing or pulling a person from another object. Friction. Now the friction is a force that slows something when you move from the surface. It's last and the topic is over. Thank you. Bye.